guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be attempting to do a science experiment. I've never done this experiment yet, called the No Leak Magic Bag. So I'm really excited to try this out, but scared at the same time because I have no idea what's gonna happen. So what you're gonna need to do this No Leak Magic Bag experiment is you're gonna need some really sharp pencils and a good decent sandwich bag. This one's the Ziploc kind. So I do have it filled with water. I had no idea how much water to put in, so I just put this much in. So I'm hoping that that wasn't too much. Grab the sharpest pencil crayon that I could find, which seems to be this green one. I'm scared. Should I just like go in fast, or like should I do the side? I'm scared. 1, 2, 3.
I did it!
Let's see if I can do a second one. Where should I poke it this time? Should I poke it on the side? Get in there. I just shove it in. So far so good. No leakage. I'm gonna do it on the side. Shoved it in the side. Seems to be good so far. Got a little bit of drips. Fifth one. And see what happens. Let's do, you know what? Here. Yeah, you guys, it's starting to leak just a little bit. Like I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 pencil crayons in here so far. 6. You know what? Let's do the side again. Really. Yeah, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this No Leak Magic Bag experiments. Do try this. It is pretty fun to do. Something to do, right? Anyways, I'll talk to you guys in my next video, and thanks for watching, guys. Bye, guys.